open up! No, 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 no! Sir!
Storm's louder than the cannons.
Have you been seeing those ultra-realistic AI videos popping up on your feed lately? They look like they were shot on a real camera, but they're actually 100% AI generated. The tech behind them is Sora 2. All right, let me walk you through how to actually use it. Open Higgsfield and click Generate. Here you can choose TikTok, Shorts, Instagram, or YouTube. The platform also offers plenty of preset video styles and voice options, and it supports 2 languages. In the settings, you can adjust the video length, turn on Pro Mode, and choose 1080p quality. Let's try making one of the trending videos. Type in the prompt. Backyard camera footage shows a kid feeding a bear. The mom sees it, screams in shock, and rushes to grab the child. Click Generate, then wait a few seconds. The video's ready.
Oh my God, nope, nope, Miles!
He's hungry, Mommy.
Back inside, right now! Oh my God, come here. No, 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 stay there, breathe.
He took my bread.
I don't care, you're not feeding a bear again, ever.
And it looks amazing. The voice sounds super realistic because it uses audio-driven synchronization for perfect lip sync and a natural voice.
He's down. Let's go. By the way, game fuel for tonight, classic Doritos.
And get this, it's also the first uncensored AI cinema engine out there. Best of all, there's no watermark. Let's try making an ad. Click the preset button at the bottom right. There are lots of ready-made video templates to choose from. Select an ad template, upload your product image. I'll pick YouTube for this one, and type your prompt. Create an ad for this watch. After a short wait, a video's done, and you can really see how well it keeps the product's original look.
A bloom of gold, a sky of sapphires. Every detail of the Imperial automatic is crafted to shine. Brilliant diamonds embrace the 18-karat rose gold case.
Click on the Video tab at the top, and you'll see it integrates multiple tools and the latest models. Draw to Video, Sol 2, Kling 2.5, VEO 3, Minimax Hailuo 02, CDance Pro, and the upcoming VEO 3.1. Today, we'll focus on Sora 2. Click Sora 2, and on the left side, you can select the model, choose Sora 2 Pro. Set the duration to 12 seconds and choose HD 1080p. You can also pick the video aspect ratio here. Then, paste your video prompt and click Generate. Wait for a moment, and your video will be ready. Next, let's try its image-to-video feature. You can click this icon to upload an image, but it can also generate images. Just click Generate it. It includes several of the latest models, like Nano Banana, Seedream 4.0, and more. We'll use its own model for now. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and enter the prompt, a cute husky in a cartoon style. Click Generate and wait a moment. It'll create 4 images. On top of each image, you'll see an Edit button. Click Draw to edit. Here, you can directly edit the image using text prompts. Let's change the background to a beautiful garden and add a tennis ball, keeping the 16:9 ratio. Then click Generate again and wait a bit. The image is ready. Next, click Video, and it'll automatically load the image into the video editor. Enter your prompt, and you'll get a cute cartoon animation. What I love about Higgsfield is that it not only integrates the latest image and video generation models, but also comes with tons of preset effects for your products. Even if you're not a professional, you can still create amazing, eye-catching results. Plus, it has an assist feature powered by ChatGPT, which helps you whenever you get stuck. For example, if you don't know how to write a good prompt,